Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is me pretty much trimming my tailbone length knotless braids that I had because I'm cutting my hair bald. This isn't an aesthetic video of me shaving my head bald. This is just me getting straight to the point. You'll see in later clips that I did go ahead and do an undercut first before I did the entire bald shave. So you just have to stick to the end of the video. But this is pretty much me doing my final length check, letting the girls know a bitch had it. This is the back. Yeah, this is it. Let's get into it. Okay, so I just left Ross. I'm on my way home. At first I went to Walmart and I did find clippers at Walmart. But the clippers that I found were like $26 and I still needed like a mirror so I could see like my hair and stuff when I make a part. So I was like, let me just go to like Ross or whatever. So I went to Ross and I found clippers for like $15. And I found like a little handheld mirror for like $10. So we about to make some shit shake when I get home. My hair is extremely dirty. I need to wash it. Like I'm torn between washing it and then cutting it tomorrow, or being hot booty and parting it and washing it tonight. So I don't know. We'll decide when I get home. But oh, the light just turned green. So, oh my gosh, I'm excited to give myself an undercut. Woo, we about to see how this happened. I'm gonna see if I can cut a heart into the back of my hair. We gonna see. Like when I'm gonna shave it low, and then I'm gonna try to trim my heart in it, like Drake's heart. Period. I'm fucking bored. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know what the fuck we thought we were seeing, because that heart shit was not happening, because who the fuck was gonna do that? But anyways, this is the undercut that I was talking about. So I pretty much sectioned the hair off and then I cut it and then I went in with the razor. I don't think I have the clip in here where I just shaved it, but I'll try to put pictures in if I can. On today's episode of I don't know what's going on, something about a pipeline, something about a hacker, but there's like no gas here. My car takes 87 and I just went to my second gas station and I can't find gas, so now I'm gonna go to the handy dandy trusty Wawa and hopefully they have 87, because the first gas station only had 93. The second gas station, it was like, nah, we only got 93. Baby, she's young. She takes the 87. Fuck. Ooh. When I tell you my car is like below fucking E, bitch. Below motherfucking E. My car's about to run out of gas. And I got like $7. Okay, so my hair's all sectioned off. This is my last hair flex before I have no hair. This time I'm gonna look straight head, but peace. Okay, so the outlet in here doesn't work, which is why I cut my hair in the room the last time when I first started. So we're gonna have to go buy one. So pretty much we're gathered here today because like I said, I'm cutting my hair and the outlet in the bathroom doesn't work. So I'm gonna go to either Home Depot is the closest, but I know they probably cost the most, but I'm gonna return it anyways. I really don't give a fuck. So I'm gonna go get an extension cord to go ahead and connect it from the outlet in my room to the outlet in the bathroom. So sorry. So I can record myself pretty much cutting my hair. It's giving me meltdown. It's giving me quarter life crisis. It's giving me might regret it. But what's life if you don't motherfucking live? And to be honest, I'm more excited about having a bald head than I am about regretting cutting my hair, because hair always grows back. it's hair. And my heart is like, I'm too pumped right now. Like, I don't know. I'm just, honestly, I've always had hair. I've had hair my whole life. I mean, obviously we've all had hair our whole life, but I'm not worried about my hair growing back. Like, I don't do anything with my hair now. If I don't like my hair, I can get a wig. Like, it's honestly not even skin deep to me. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Bitch, I'm not gonna wait for your dumbass. Exactly. Anywho, so, bro, I'm so excited. This shit is so crazy. I was gonna shave the sides, but I was trying to part it and it wasn't really even. And I'm like, for what? For what? So I'm gonna go ahead and shave my hair. Then I'm gonna go to the mall and probably have them do my eyebrows. I don't wear makeup because I don't know how. So it's not like, you know, I'm gonna go home, beat my face, and cut my hair like I've seen some girls do. Like, I'm not judging, I don't give a fuck, but that's just not what I plan on doing. Like, I'm finna just throw on like a number 2 guard and just and then I'm gonna take a shower and wash my scalp and keep it pushing and clean up the mess. Like, it's not that deep to me. Like, I know, like, I have like a couple scars because I have this weird habit of like picking at my scalp. Like, I'm tender-headed, so whenever I get my hair done and people like, okay, I'm tender-headed, so whenever I get my hair done and the person who's doing my hair does my hair too tight, it causes like irritation to my scalp, and that irritation causes like a scab, and I pick at that scab, and picking at scabs leads to scars. So it's just, you know, it's behavior I've always done. You know, it's nothing new. So I'm pretty sure my scalp is a little questionable, but that's really not gonna stop me. I've already made up my decision. I'm mentally here right now. It is what it is. You feel me? It's hot as shit though. I'm changing my Instagram name to Toasted. No, well, not my handle, but just my Instagram name to Toasted Coconut, because that's the vibe that I want to. Come on now, if they're going straight, turning is not a fucking problem. Bro, these Florida drivers, boy, I tell you. Know what the fuck they be doing. So yeah, but anyways, I'm about to pull up at Home Depot. I'll see you guys at Home Depot. We're at Home Depot. This guy's gonna try to hit me. Like, it's a whole crosswalk, but he's driving. Like, what the fuck? I just flipped them off. Like, it's a whole entire crosswalk, sir. Like, traditionally you wait for people to walk before you drive, but I guess. Oh my god. Mowers, shelving, flooring. We're trying to find an extension cord. I'm assuming it would be where the power tools are. That's just my best uneducated guess. Rug. Someone has their annoying ass dog in here. Don't worry, I'm skipping here. So I had to see if it was long enough, and I think it should be long enough. I'm excited. Okay, so we're back in the whip. The date is the 22nd. I don't know, some shit. But pretty much on the news or whatever, they've lifted the requirement for you to have to wear a mask in Florida. So I just wanted to... The fuck are you doing? Not paying a fucking attention, just pulling out. Bro, it's a Tesla. I should just let his ass hit me, bitch. That's improper backing. That ticket would have been nice. Come on, sir. You going? You not riding? You not rolling? Okay. So yeah, anyways, so they removed the like, masks are no longer like required. Like, I guess it's like optional at this point. If you're fully vaccinated, you don't have to wear a mask. I'm not vaccinated yet, so I just went into Home Depot and I have my mask on. Everyone's looking at me all, maybe it could be this, but everyone's looking at me all crazy and shit. Like, please mind your Caucasian business. Mind the business that pays you. Thanks. And I feel like even when I get fully vaccinated, I still want to wear a mask because I haven't got my teeth done. So yeah. But the house is like less than 5 minutes away, so we're about to go there. And then also my dad's in town. I was gonna let my dad cut a section of my hair, but I don't want to walk around with like a ponytail or whatever, so I guess I'll just show my dad. But I want to get my eyebrows tinted. I just want them to be a little bit more filled in, so I look a little less like me. So yeah, I don't know, I'm just, my mind's already made up. I'm here for it. We're here for it. I mean, I hope it's long enough. Anyways, bye. This is the action that I know you came for. This is me actually cutting my hair. This is the undercut that I did, like if you saw the pictures earlier, and I guess we just went straight for it. I was recording. I have an actual like real camera. I'm recording this on my phone, and me looking off to the side is because I was on, you know, recording, like I said, on my main camera. I don't have the actual clips of me shaving my hair because I started recording on my phone, and then my cousin messaged me and he wanted to like video call and, you know, watch me shave my hair, and versus me prioritizing, oh yeah, I'm shaving my head, let me get the clips on my phone, I FaceTimed him. So I just have these clips of me cutting my hair but not shaving my scalp. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. Okay, so anyways, this is the after. I'm about to head to the mall now to get my eyebrows arched and filled in, just so you know I can look a little bit more softer. But hold on, I literally just took a shower and took a bath and everything, and like I said, I need to go that way. I'm going to the mall. I will say that my scalp is very tender. I think because I went over it so many times with the razor, electric shaver, whatever it's called. So my scalp is a little bit tender, like I'm not even gonna cap. And when I shaved it, my cousin was like, I should go to a barber and have a barber even it out, just to make sure everything's one length. And I think I'm gonna do that, just to make sure everything's one length. Because even though like my hair is naturally a little bit thinner right here, like I just want to make sure everything is like the same. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to the mall. Hopefully there's not a lot of people. I just want to get my eyebrows filled in a little bit and like cleaned up. I don't really have a lot of hair in my eyebrows, so it's really not like they're about to do anything severely drastic. And then I'm gonna try to find a barbershop. I might slide through the hood and just find me like a guy to clean it up, and then I'm gonna go home. My grandma passed. I'm going to her funeral next month, so I kind of need to find an outfit to wear. So I'm also gonna go through like JCPenney's and Macy's, just see if they have. I'm not wearing nothing crazy. I'm just wearing like a gray V-neck shirt. This shirt's actually a little too big for me, and I'm wearing some jeans and my black Crocs. But I think my cousin was like, you look the same just without hair. And I'm like, yeah, for the most part, the front of my head, I don't have any like lumps or anything, and my hair's so tender, even doing this kind of hurts. So I think because I'm going against the grain of my hair, but I just have like I got a little lump in the back, a little booty, but that's about it. I feel like I'm getting sick. I might be getting sick because I don't have any hair, and this is really my first time not having hair, so I have nothing to really compare this experience to. But I really think I'm getting sick because after I cut my hair, I took a shower, and I've literally been sneezing nonstop since. Like, I feel like I sound a little bit congested. But that's it. Summer 2020, we're gonna do some bald-headed hoe shit. My cousin's like, what do you think your mom's gonna say? And I'm like, I don't give a fuck. What can you say? Like, the hair is already gone. What can you say? I feel so like liberated. Like, everyone's gonna be like, why did you cut your hair? And I'm like, to be honest, I didn't want to do it no more. Like, I don't know. My scalp is so, like, it's so tender. Come on. If I can, I'm gonna record my dad's reaction. Oh, I should have bought, oh, I don't really have a hat, but I should have got a hat. I mean, I don't think it's that, it's just, I'm not gonna line it up. Like, I'm never going to line it up because I feel like I'm already a huge woman. Like, I'm not trying to give lesbian butch vibes. Like, we're trying to avoid that at all costs. So, yeah. When it starts growing out a little bit more, I'm gonna go ahead and dye it. Okay, bitch, I can't wait to get my, hopefully my eyebrows come out the way I'm envisioning that they're gonna come out, so that I can just, like, you know, serve. I'm trying to serve absolute face. Like, I already don't wear makeup and I have all these, like, circles around my eyes, but I'm trying to serve absolute face. Like, the fuck. But I'll see you guys when once I get to the mall. So anyways, I just left the barbershop. The guy, his name is Taylor, he gave me his card. He just went ahead and he just did like a one all around just to make sure. And I also got my eyebrows done. I did want to get them filled in, but she was like, I don't really need it. So I'm feeling like a bald head bad bitch. When I was in the mall, I went to Dillard's and I went to Macy's trying to find something to wear for the funeral. And I didn't really see anything I liked. So there's that. So I think I'm gonna go home now and probably get online. Well, I also had Taco Bell. You know, we doing fat shit. To be honest, I feel like he didn't really cut much. Like, only a little bit of hair came off. Like, it's crazy. Like, literally the smallest amount of hair came off. And it was like absolutely nothing. So I'm feeling like 100% pet peach. I wish I knew how to do my eyebrows and makeup and stuff. I mean, it does feel a little bit different. Like, I can totally tell he like completely evened it out for me. But yeah, it's giving very much. So the only thing that I will say is that my scalp is like, so it feels so tender and sensitive. It's crazy. But I do like being bald.